Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial, and I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this card kit, I am using the So Sentimental stamp set because I cut the label from the stitched So Sweetly dies and they fit perfectly. So why ruin a good thing? You can find this bundle in the annual catalog. But of course, when you get your card kit in your hands, please, you do you, use whatever sentiment you have. Hopefully you have a coordinating ink pad. If not, just use black and it'll look fantastic. So I'm using the jade version here. There are 6 versions, and as my customers, you will receive 2 of these colorways. And you can see what I'm doing here, stamping in the Just Jade. I put dimensional adhesive on the back and I just put that aside. Do me a favor, when you get these little strips of paper, just measure them to make sure that they are equal. I do not profess to be perfect, and oftentimes when I am cutting the copious amounts of card kits for my team and for my customers, I usually do it at 3 o'clock in the morning, and sometimes you're just not being as accurate as you would like. So just make sure that those 3 little strips are exactly the same size. If you have to trim it down, just use your scissors and trim them down. And you shouldn't have to trim off much, but you never know. I'm not perfect. So I'm going to put a border around the 3 sides of this little strip of paper. And 3 sides, like a nice little 3-sided border around that one. And then the third one's coming in and it will just have a little sliver of a white. Now I'm putting the die cut down and I'm going to adhere that to my cardstock that is Just Jade. So the combinations were Just Jade, Bumblebee, Misty Moonlight, Pool Party, Granny Apple Green, and Cherry Cobbler. So you are going to be able to get 2 of these designs, but you don't know which one you're getting, so it'll be a surprise. You'll love them. I really like this design. So thank you so much for shopping with me. And if you're just watching this because you can't shop with me, thank you so much for watching. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.